Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is fixed dose combinations, that is FDCs. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. As per the report of the Drugs Technical Advisory Board, that is DTAB, the fixed dose combinations or FDCs have been considered as rational with certain conditions. Now let's discuss about fixed dose combinations, that is FDCs. A fixed dose combination or FDC drug contains two or more active ingredients in a fixed dosage ratio. A good example of FDC is the combination of paracetamol with brufen. Paracetamol is an analgesic, that is painkiller, and antipyretic for preventing fever, while brufen, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. This combination cures the acute pain of many types like toothache, body ache, etc. Some FDCs are marketed with licenses given only by state regulatory agencies rather than Drug Controller General of India or DGCI. Now moving on to the benefits of FDCs. The basic rationale of making fixed dose combination medicinal products is either to improve patient compliance or to benefit from the synergistic effects of the two medicinal products given together. FDCs have shown to be particularly useful in the treatment of infectious diseases like HIV, malaria, and tuberculosis, where giving multiple antimicrobial agents is the norm. FDCs are known to offer specific advantages over the single entity preparations, such as increased efficacy and or a reduced incidence of adverse effects, possibly reduced cost and simpler logistics of distribution relevant to situations of limited resources. Now let's discuss the issues related to FDCs. FDCs are the combination of two or more drugs. There might be the case that the patient may not actually need those many drugs. Thus, he is subjected to additional side effects. Some drug doses have to be individualized based on the patient's response. It is not possible in FDCs. Some companies have been selling FDCs in India without proper clinical trials and government approvals. Thus, it is necessary to regulate them. These non-essential FDCs thus do harm by encouraging irrational and indiscriminate use by people. Irrational use of FDCs of antibiotics is among the major causes of antibiotic resistance in India. Now moving on to the prelims-based question. Consider the following statements regarding fixed dose combination or FDC. 1. A fixed dose combination or FDC drug contains two or more active ingredients in a fixed dosage ratio. Many cough syrups, painkillers, and dermatological drugs in India are FDCs. 3. Some FDCs are marketed with licenses given only by state regulatory agencies rather than Drug Controller General of India or DGCI. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, or D. 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.